Coffee and chocolate form a breathtaking partnership. Their flavors dance together in a mesmerizing way. Imagine yourself sipping a cup of dark, rich coffee, its steam curling up into the air, while you indulge in a piece of smooth, luscious chocolate that melts in your mouth. Pure bliss. Both are infused with deep, roasted aromas that create a symphony of taste. The sweetness of the chocolate elegantly spirals with the earthy undertones of the coffee. And there's more to uncover. The caffeine in coffee not only gives you a boost, it amplifies the chocolate's flavor, turning every bite into a decadent experience. Picture a mocha latte, creamy and inviting, or chocolate-covered espresso beans, each one a tiny treasure. Each sip or bite ignites a burst of flavor that dances on your tongue. Here's a fascinating fact. Both coffee and chocolate are rich in antioxidants, making them not just a treat, but also a healthful choice. So as you pour your morning coffee, don't forget to grab a piece of chocolate. This divine pairing will delight your taste buds. Dive into this exquisite combination and elevate your coffee moments. How do you savor them together? Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffee lover.